got a package in the mail today. I thought it would be fun to do some Solex unboxing. Let's check it out. Hi, I'm Steph Warner. I am a QLA with Solex and I love my AO scan. My AO scan does so many things. What I also love about Solex is that they have so many other products available to us to complement what the AO scan can do and enhance this technology even further. So let's take a look at my most recent order, some items that are new and some that have been around for a little while, and I'll explain to you how they work. So this first one is the IONEX Pet Collar. And if you're not familiar with IONEX products, these are made with cybin mineral and black tourmaline encased in silicone. And what those minerals in particular do is they release negative ions naturally. So this is a natural EMF protectant. It improves flexibility, stamina, healing, just overall energy boost for you. And this is the Pet Collar. They do have bracelets for humans as well, but we have a puppy and I wanted to get her this Pet Collar. As you can see, it is quite large. Our puppy isn't that big, so what I'm gonna be doing is just cutting it. They make it really easy to trim it down, and inside there's all this fun sacred geometry with the Solex logo. And this is helpful to imprint frequencies with your device for your pets. It also comes with a little ID tag, and this ID tag is what helps the scanner to identify your pet within the quantum field so that those frequencies and those scans go directly to your pet. So I'm going to be putting this on my pup. She is recovering from a broken leg and a surgery last week. She's doing really well, but I wanted to give her an additional boost. What I love about this is that all of the IONEX products can be charged in the sun. You only have to do it like once every 2 weeks, but since my dog spends a lot of time outside, she's naturally charging this in the sun every time she goes into our backyard. These IONEX Pet Collars are wonderful for dogs, cats. They come in all different sizes, and you can customize it by imprinting frequencies into it, and your pets will benefit from those wonderful, powerful negative ions to boost their energy overall and protect them from all the Wi-Fi and EMF that we are surrounded by. So this is a new one I'm so excited about to help my little puppy. The next one, while we're on the topic of IONEX products, this is new from Solex, the IONEX bracelets for kids. We've had them around for adults for quite a while now, but these are now kid size and in fun colors. They come in red and blue and black in 2 different kids sizes. Again, these are made with cybin and black tourmaline. They naturally emit infrared waves and negative ions to help boost your kids' immune systems and protect them from all the negative energy in their environment. And what I love is that I can imprint these with frequencies from my AO scan, have my kiddos wear it while they're at school. Then they can benefit from frequencies like creativity, concentration, determination, and focus, maybe inner peace, or confidence, self-esteem, and love. You can literally send your kids out into the world knowing that they are vibrating at a higher level when they are wearing this. So I can't wait for my son and my daughter to try these out. The next one is our Sucrose blank pellets in bulk. As you can see, this is a large container of 500 grams of sugar pellets, and these have been around for a while. This is nothing new, but I already have these wonderful little blue vials that I had purchased from Solex previously. They came pre-filled with sugar pellets and I ran out. I went through all of them. I use these all the time. So what we use these for is our homeopathics frequencies. We now have several hundred homeopathic frequencies in our database in our AO scan, and all you have to do is take the sugar pellets, put them into one of these little vials or anything, a little dish, a little glass cup. You can just put 5 in at a time. You can put 100 in at a time. You go into the homeopathics program within our SEFI, which is Subtle Energy Frequency Imprinter. And you can select from hundreds and hundreds of different homeopathic remedies, including things like Arnica montana frequency, chamomilla. If you're not familiar with homeopathics, this program makes it super user-friendly. You can search by symptom. So if you happen to be experiencing allergies of all different kinds, or pain in certain areas of the body, or headaches or other things, you can search by symptoms. Let's look up fatigue. There's frequencies for adrenal fatigue, depression type fatigue. Let's see what adrenal fatigue brings up. You tap on those symptoms and it brings up all of the homeopathics that help with adrenal fatigue. And you can imprint these directly into the sugar pellets simply by placing your little container. There's my puppy in the background right now. She misses me already. Placing the container on the screen and tapping imprint, and there you go. Those frequencies will go one by one through this list of homeopathics directly into the sugar pellets, and the sugar pellets will hold on to those frequencies, and then you consume them and the frequency goes into your body naturally through your digestive system, the exact same way as they would if you bought homeopathic sugar pellets at the store. This is the highest quality homeopathic frequencies you will find anywhere, and now you can create them at home. So that's why I got the shipment of bulk sugar pellets, because I use these all the time. All right, next up we have something brand new, hot off the press. I am so excited about these. We've been hearing about amazing results. We have SEFIdots. These are so fun. I'm actually wearing one right now. They're little patches. Let me explain what they do. So SEFIdots are a wearable frequency patch that you place on specific meridian lines or acupoint areas. And we have a new program in our AO scan called SEFIdots that makes it so easy for you to imprint frequencies into one of these holographic, beautiful silicone dots. And there's multiple different programs that you can imprint into them. We have things like allergy defense, arthritis, cellular restore, which helps to boost glutathione production in stem cells, energetic balance, energy and endurance. That, woo, so much energy you won't even know what to do with yourself. Immune defense, mood support, pain support, sleep, youth eternal for skin and beauty and collagen and all the things. And we are loving these. But if you're not sure which one you need, what's so cool is that you can actually scan yourself. I'll do that right now. It takes only a few seconds, and then the device will compare your energy to the energy of all of the programs available and tell you what you need most. So it looks like right now I could use some energetic balance, and then it actually shows you where on your body is the best place to put them. I'm probably not gonna put it on my eye today since I'm gonna be out and about, but I can place it on my knee, my neck, or down by my ankle. So then I would just take one of these dots, place it on the screen, imprint it with the frequencies, and then put the patch on my body. And they do come with these ultra clear, ultra sticky patches that go on top so that you make sure that you don't knock it off and it doesn't move around. And then these frequencies are good for up to 72 hours. All the other patches on the market that I have seen are only good for up to 12 hours, and then you have to throw them away. And these can be erased with the erase feature in your AO scan and re-imprinted and reused over and over. So they do come in a pack of 60, and I highly recommend trying these out. I like putting on a SEFIdot at night with the sleep program. I've been sleeping amazing. Like I said, the energy and endurance will really give you a boost. Cellular Restore just helps me to feel amazing throughout the whole entire day. We actually have someone on our team who has been using these and imprinted homeopathic frequencies for wart removal. Placed SEFIdots on top of a wart that she had on her hand. She'd had it for years, and within 4 patches, 4 different times of placing a dot on top of the wart, it is completely gone off of her hand. So really cool things, so many possibilities that you can do with all of the Solex products. If you're interested in learning more, reach out to someone who shared this video with you, or you can find my link in the comments below. And you can also visit solexglobal.com, or you can find us on Facebook. We have a group called Quantum Essentials where we are sharing everything frequency and Solex all of the time, and we welcome you to join us. So thanks for checking out my unboxing today, and I hope you learned something and that you will see the benefit of frequency therapy and maybe try out an introductory scan with the AO scan yourself. Thanks, everyone.